Welcome to another video of what's new in Treblle 3.0. In this episode, we will learn about the API catalog in Treblle 3.0. So let's get started. As an organization, most of the time, you have more than one API being consumed by different internal and external services. And once you've built an API, you want to save time for other teams who can use it, instead of rebuilding it. For this purpose, you must make the APIs available to developers and consumers. And just like that, if other teams or your colleagues already built an API endpoint, you want to use it directly and save time. That's what the API catalog feature of Treblle helps with. It's a centralized list of APIs in your workspace. It lets your team discover all available APIs regardless of visibility settings. It helps access documentation and integration guides. To add an API to the API catalog, go to the API settings for the API you want to publish, scroll down to Find Publish option, select a category, add tags, and a suitable description. Once you've filled out everything, click Publish. Your API is now live in the catalog. You can always go back and edit it by clicking the Edit button on the right side. To see your API in the catalog, go to the far left section of the page. There, you'll see the API catalog option. Click on it and see all the APIs you've published. You can also sort and filter the catalog. This makes it easy for developers to integrate APIs and for stakeholders to understand what's available. API catalogs can be helpful to not only team developers, but also new team members who don't want to waste time looking for documentation in the internal database. When you come across an API via the API catalog in Treblle, you'll notice that a new tool pops up on the screen. That's Alfred, Trebble's AI assistant. That is there to help you to talk to your API and debug faster. That's how the API catalog in Treblle 3.0 can save you time and energy by making API discovery and integration faster. That's all for this video. In the next video, we will look at Treblle API scoring mechanism. Thanks for watching and check out Treblle 3.0 on treblle.com today.